I got these new side marker lights for the Corvette in the mail this morning when I got home from work. I haven't opened them to see what they look like yet, but they're supposed to be a nice little upgrade. Oh, I even got a bottle opener. Alright, let's see what they look like. I got the tinted version because all my other lights are actually tinted. Anyway, this is what they look like. And I got a little 9-volt battery here we can use to check them out. I think they're going to look pretty good. Instead of one little bulb in the middle, there's a whole string of LEDs there. So we know that one works. Well, let's try the other one. There is no lacquer, right? There just is. I think they look pretty good. And they both work. I think they're gonna look pretty cool. I'll get them on this weekend, and then I'll really show you what the lights look like. Today we're going to be changing out our rear side marker lights. We're going from this tinted stock lens to this one. It's an LED strip that runs all the way across. And I found the easiest way to get to it would be to go through here. The front bolt's going to be the toughest, but I already got that back one off, as you can see. You can see I got both nuts off. It's going to be something you have to do with your eye finger. So, and you just kind of push it out. If you can get it out. Damn, that thing's stuck. Damn. And you just turn the bulb. I have LEDs in there already. I'm sure these are polarity sensitive, so I have to plug them in and see if they work. I got lucky on that one. I got them both mounted. They're in there nice and solid. They both work. I used a 7/16 box end, short one, to get in there. Pretty much had to use my eye finger to get in there to get them out, but they're in and they work. They look good. I think they look really good. Yeah, that's how you do it. Really easy to do. I'll just put my taillights back in. Taillights are in. All work, I hope. But I think they're gonna look good. I'll come back this evening when it's dark out, and then I'll give you a night light test.